Alright, dishes are done. Now, there's something I need to talk to you about. Don't worry, it's nothing bad, I promise. But it has to do with our little guest. We haven't received any phone calls, emails, or we haven't had people come to the house and say, hey, this little guy's ours, we've missed him so much, which kind of breaks my heart a little, because who knows how long this little guy's been wandering around looking for a forever family, a place to stay, and I thought, why not let him stay with us? I mean, Christmas is coming up very, very, very soon. It's the perfect gift, right? I knew you'd be happy. Oh, no, don't cry. Oh, come here, don't cry. It's okay. He's gonna be happy here with us. We're gonna be the best pet parents ever. We'll get him a little bed. We'll get him some toys. We'll get him a bunch of stuff. Yeah, we'll probably spoil him rotten, but in the best possible way. The only thing is we need to think of a name. And I've been looking up names for black cats, and I found a couple, like I mentioned, Binks, Midnight, Salem. I mean, we don't have to choose yet, but we will have to decide if we're going to get him microchipped and all that, which I think is a good idea to do, just in case he gets lost, and I don't want anything to happen to him. I want to know where he is at all times. You know, I'm gonna be the overly worried pet parent. And if you want, you can be the super fun pet parent. So, what do you want your name to be, little guy? Oh, you want it to be Meow? I'm joking. Oh, that is a good name. What do you think? Do you think our little friend chose a good name? I think so too. You know, it suits you. Meow. I love your little meow. It's so cute. It's so cute. Oh, your tail's going. Now, for dogs, I know that's a happy thing, but what about cats? Let me look that up. Really quick. Cat, tail, happy? No, that is not what I wanted. Let me word it again. Have to think. My mind went blank. Come on. Okay. Do cats move their tails when happy? Yes, cats wag their tails when they're happy. Whether as a warm greeting because they are pleased you are home, or they are enjoying the attention of being stroked. A happy wag of the tail is more likely to be slow and calm, with the tail held high in the air to signal confidence and contentment. Oh, I didn't know that. We learn new things every day, right? Right, so that means you're happy here, right? Okay, well, welcome to the family, little guy. You'll fit right in.